Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your downloads for your game progress on your PlayStation 5. Now, I'm going to select No Man's Sky here, and I'm going to download this to my PlayStation 5, and I'll show you the various different ways that you can see the progress. So when you initially download the game, you can see in the upper right side of the screen, and then you can go to Downloads/Uploads and see the progress instantly. Now, another thing that you can do is if you go back to the home screen on the PlayStation 5, you can see the game is downloading right here. So No Man's Sky, I can select it, and then I can see the download progress right here. And I have about 15 minutes left. So if you don't see it on the home screen, you can press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then you can go on down to where it says Downloads/Uploads right here. And then I can see No Man's Sky right here. 15 minutes left. Then I have the upload section. If I go on down with the D-pad, I have nothing uploading at the moment. Then I can press options on it, and I can pause the download. I can cancel and delete. I can pause all, or I can clear the installed item. Now, if you cannot see Downloads/Uploads right here, open up the quick menu and then press options. Then you can see the downloads option right here. It might be on the bottom like this. All you have to do is select it, go up on the D-pad, and you can move it around under the screen, and then you can place it on your quick menu, and then you can always see it right here. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.